They're there, look. Don't panic. I'm okay. Axle stands are there. Right. Well, hello again, people of WWW world. No rest for the wicked, is there? So, next job, oil change. It's had an oil change already. Had one in January. Apparently, got some paperwork for it. But I don't know. If you're like me, I like to make sure it's I wouldn't say done properly, but done my way. Right, let's get it up in the air and crawl underneath, because that's always fun on a Saturday. Here we go. Well, the one good thing about the Mercedes is you can put your bonnet in service position, so it will go up on its own using the dampers, but if you keep pushing it, it'll go further up. So, cover off. I think it's the first time I've used the electronic parking brake, but also got it shocked under the back wheels as well. So cover off, jack it up. I'm sure there'll be some sort of tray underneath to take off, and then we will drop the oil, put the new stuff in. It should be fairly warm because the wife hasn't long come back. Right, let's stop waffling and get on with it, shall we? So there you go, we're all jacked up. Can I just draw your attention towards the, because I get so many comments about this, axle stands. They're there, look. Don't panic. I'm okay. Axle stands are there. Right, let's get this under tray off. Oh, fail. Right, well, I've took that cover off. And, I think where you drain the oil. Duh. Every day's a learning day. Well, every day's a learning day. That panel off, I think you've got to take both off. You probably don't, but I have, and it works. And yeah, there's the sump plug up there. Can you see it? Just up there. Yeah. Mercedes really don't want you to work on these cars. Right, let's do some draining. We are out, we are draining. Marvellous. So that's the bolt that came out, obviously not long enough, but that crush washer definitely doesn't fit, so that's going to get replaced. That's the oil drained in a proper oil drainer, you'll notice. Anybody who's been watching the channel for a long time will remember the trusty old green bowl. Still got it. It's full of water at the moment, but it's still there. Recycle your oil responsibly. There you go, children. Thought of the day. Now the next job is to get the massive oil filter out. But because it's at the back of the engine and difficult to get to, I might put all the stuff back on the bottom first, lower the car, just to make it easier on myself. Yeah, Mercedes, don't make it easy on you. Right, all the panels back on, down the bottom. That makes it a little bit easier to get to the oil filter. Let's do it. So does anybody want to guess what size that nut is? Or that connection is? Give you a minute. No, you're wrong. 27. I've never known a 27mm nut on top of a fuel filter. Sorry, oil filter before. Oh dear. And there you go. That's what it looks like. So in the fuel filter box, wherever I put it, give me a sec. So, as I was trying to say, in the box you've got two small O-rings there. Oop, focus. And a big one. Big one goes at the top there. Obviously small ones go at the bottom there. That plunger, I believe, well, I'm not sure it's part of the whole assembly, I'll find out in a minute, but that needs to go in the new one, because the new one is just a filter. And now we're going to have a good inspect and see what's inside that filter, if anything. Hopefully no sparkly bits. So yeah, the filter itself just slips over the top of it. It's one long shaft with seals at the bottom. Right, let's get all these O-rings changed, get the new filter on and do it. And there you go. Seals replaced, new filter in place. job done. When you put these on, just slide them up and then give them a little bit more of a oof. That's an official term, oof, not a oof, and they'll click into place. Let me show you actually. You ready? Oof. There you go. Told you it's an oof. So it's time to break out the best funnel and the best oil. Here's a weird thing, by the way. I have my head down here where the battery tray is. Listen. Can you hear it? There's a fan cooling the battery down. That's not a parasitic drain much, is it? Drink up, little Mercedes. Drink up. Right, that's topped up. Let's check the old dipstick. Yes, it's an older car, so it's got a dipstick. Where are we? Let's have a look. Yep, top level. Oh, you can't see that. There you go. Well, you won't be able to see it anyway, but there you go, top level. So start her up, let her settle for a while, recheck. And that's, my friends of the interweb, is it. So oil change done. Not a particularly difficult thing to do, and yeah, really done in sort of less than an hour, to be honest. So any tricky bit was the plastics on the bottom, but that's the same with any car, to be honest. But there you go, all good for a few thousand miles now. Right, that's one more job done. Let's see what the next one will be. Catch you later, internet. Have a good day. Enjoy the sunshine. We get precious little of it. Have fun. Bye bye.